somebody talking. That's the beauty of walking unplugged. You hear so much more. Now my dad generally calls me during this daily pause because he's gotten used to it. But today it's later. It has been a really busy 4-day work week. And this was a much needed pause. If you're new here, I pause for 30 minutes, usually around 3 or 3:30 before wrapping up my work for the day, to help me make that transition and actually have a good rest of my evening. I find just like barreling into the evening just leaves you unnecessarily tired. They're definitely doing some kind of work on one of the various houses over here. Yep. Looks like they're repainting the front, the brick. Interesting. Anyways, I do have tennis tonight. It's Friday, and I'm looking forward to that. I thought I was going to go see As God Is, but I'm really feeling cozy, and I want comfort. So I think I'm just going to stay home. We'll see. Let me finish this walk. It's still raining. I'm definitely going home. And this is the moment where I was rethinking all of my weekend plans. It had rained for 12 days straight. And as you saw, I had a pretty chill Friday. I felt like that's what I needed. And my introversion wanted me to cancel plans and stay inside more. But it had been raining for so many days. It was so dark. I knew I needed community. So though I knew it was going to be a long weekend, because Sunday, you'll see, was also busy, I decided to get my butt up and get things started. And it was a good thing I did, because my girl called me about 2 hours before the party. My girl asked me to pick up wine and a mini ice cream cake and have them write happy birthday. So the lady's doing it. I just got one of the Carvel cakes. And she's about to write on blue on the cake. Because Publix. Got it. All right, we're in the closet because I need to figure out what to put on my body. I had to pick up the cake. I have 7 bottles of wine. I need to get there before everybody else. And I don't know what I'm wearing. My man was just like, so what are you wearing? I was like, I didn't think that far. Okay. I have clothes. This is how I make this work. This is why I don't end up buying new clothes all the time, because I have clothes. The beauty of having Locs is it's so easy. So my rhythm for my Locs now is I get them styled when I go, and I go get my locks retwisted every other month. So I get them styled in whatever style. So last time it was a lock bob, and I leave it in that style for a month, just spraying it with a leave-in every day. And then I wash my hair in that style. I've shown that in another video, so I'll link it. I literally just shampoo 3 times. Let it dry completely, spray it while it's wet, let it dry completely, and then take it down and wear that for, however long I think it looks good. Ideally another month, but like, you just, whatever looks good. I like it when it grows out a lot, But at the same time, it just depends on what I'm doing. If I have like an event, like a really formal event, I'm not going to leave it. I would like it in a style, right? If I'm going to like a gala or something, which if you're new here, I do that. Anyways, I'm running. I put on the dress. It's just a linen dress. I have some sneakers. I'm gonna get out of here. Let's get out of here. I was so glad that I did not give into my introversion and cancel, because the people I saw are my main community. They're the people who bring me hope, comfort, keep me going. And I was reminded of that. There were so many generations there, and we were making plans for the future, for the baby's future. We are going to be there for that child. His village is strong. And I was reminded that you can't be a part of the village sitting at home. So I'm glad I went, even though the next day was just as busy. Hey y'all, first of all, if you haven't subscribed, think about it. Hit that button. And second, I'm on my way to a day party. My man invited me to this day party, so we are going together. I still need to do my non-negotiables for today, but that's the beauty of them. They only take an hour. And I want to tell you guys about like a new way I'm trying to meal prep for dinner. If it works, which I'm going to try for a couple months, then it will save me a lot of money and allow me to have fresher dinners without a lot of work. Because as a single person, I really just, like, I love cooking, but I'm not trying to cook every day. And so my dinner meal prep is pretty boring, but this would revolutionize it if it works. So let's head to the party and I'll tell you all about it.
Now, you brought us there.
Or whatever you want to do with your 30 seconds. But as you can see, we have a lot of people in the room. So we want to make sure we get to as many people as possible.
Hey there, good people. It is late and I need to tackle my non-negotiables so I can relax. Let me tell you, I am peopled out. It was like much more of a busy weekend than I anticipated, but that's okay. We're going to get this non-negotiables done. It will probably take a little over an hour because I am going to do a very little bit of meal prep. But first, I threw the laundry in, so that will be the last thing I do. Beyond trash, I'm going to put the trash out this evening. So I got my groceries. So let's go ahead and schedule fitness and do the things that I can do at my computer.
Loving you what I be like. 1 minute of fire, 1 minute of rain, 1 minute of pleasure, 1 minute of stressing, 1 minute of pain, yeah. We da keep them quiet, but it's heavy on the low, 1 minute of passion. Then you want attention, baby, no forgetting. I would have find inside, oh, they feel that one voice, they hear that one voice, they feel that one choice. Now we there for inside, oh, they hear that one voice, they hear that one choice. Now you be my choice.
All right, guys. So to finish things up, I'm just going to pull out one of my freezer marinades. We have honey Dijon this week and throw it in the refrigerator. I bought some peas to eat with it. So it'll just be chicken, rice, peas. But let's talk a moment about what I'm doing for meal prep. Now for dinners, I have this new like experiential thing I'm trying. I got the idea from a person. I will link her video below. And I think if it works, it will revolutionize how I do dinner to where I can have 5 separate fresh meals, like different dinners, Monday through Friday, if I can work it. I think that I figured it out, a menu for this week. So that's good because it took a lot of brain power, even though it's a very simple concept, because I'm just cooking for me, that actually makes it more difficult, which is really interesting in and of itself. So in the next By Design episode, you'll see me trying it. I'm going to film every night this week, the dinners, or Monday through Friday, the dinners that I try. We're going to start with that whole chicken. I'll explain everything as I go. Wish me luck. because if it works, I really need your help figuring out like other options. And I'm also doing the 75 booked challenge. More on that on Instagram and Substack. Otherwise, check out my last by design episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.